This video is on how to factor quadratic equations. If you have any math topics that you would like me to cover, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are coefficients, which is just a numeric quantity. And the goal is to factor c so it adds up to your b coefficient. So let's take a look at the first quadratic equation, x squared plus 3x minus 4. I look at my first term and I put x times x will give me my x squared. Next, I'm going to look at my c coefficient, and I'm going to factor that. I have 4 and 1, and 2 are also factors of 4. So my goal is to add up to positive 3, and I know 4 and 1 can give me positive 3. So the key is to make sure I have a positive 3, so I'm going to add 4 and subtract 1 to get 3. So now I just set x plus 4 equals 0 and x minus 1 equals 0. And this will be x is equal to negative 4, and this is x equal to positive 1. So let's take a look at another problem. 6x squared plus x minus 12. Our a coefficient is 6, our b is 1, and our c is negative 12. So when your a coefficient is not equal to 1, you'll have to multiply your a coefficient with your c coefficient. And in this case, it will equal negative 72. There are multiple factors of 72, but we know we are trying to get a b coefficient of 1, so the numbers need to be close. So we're going to factor 8 and 9. So again, we are going to look at our first term with the x squared and put them in the two different brackets. We are also going to put our a coefficient in both of them at this point. Now we're going to add our factors of 8 and 9. We want it to be a positive 1. B is a positive 1, so we're going to say plus 9 minus 8. So if we factor out 3, we're left with 2x plus 3. And if we factor out 2 of the second portion, we're left with 3x minus 4. So let's get rid of our common factor, and then we're left with our factor. And let's check it. Let's FOIL it. So 2x times 3x is going to be positive 6x squared. Our outer would be negative 8x. Our inner would be positive 9x, and our last would be minus 12. And if we combine our like terms, we would get plus x minus 12. So let's go back to the factors and set them equal to 0. So you have 2x plus 3 equals 0. We can move our 3 over to the other side. We have 2x divided by 2. And so x is equal to negative 3 halves. And over here we have 3x minus 4 equals 0. We can do 3x equals 4. Divide both sides by 3. And we get x equals 4/3. And that's how you factor a quadratic equation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you next time.